Hi guys, I want to flex you my achievement. This is my certificate, guys, and my medal is in here. So let's start. This is my certificate of kinder of our portfolio. I'm top 1, guys. As you can see, top 1. And grade 1 is with high honors. Grade 2 with high honors. Grade 2 with highest honors. Grade 2 with highest honors. Grade 1 with high honors. Grade 3 with high honors. This is a Likawento, and I'm 3rd place. Grade 3 with high honors. This is a science quiz band. I'm 3rd place. This is our recognition on kinder. 2nd place on story retelling. Grade 2 with high honors. And comment for part